drive a fancy car today. I don't wanna ride in a red Corvette. I don't wanna jog my Saturday away, but I don't wanna go home yet. Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't wanna parasail or play roulette. I don't wanna risk it all or go insane, but I don't wanna go home yet. I just wanna watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I wanna watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I'd feel just like a nerd watching birds, watching me here all alone. I don't wanna break dance or learn taekwondo. I don't wanna fish till all the fish are gone. I don't wanna roller skate even if it's slow. I don't wanna pass out in a marathon. I don't like soccer, baseball, track or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't wanna seek or try to stay concealed. I'm also not up for water polo. I just wanna watch the birds up there, track the migratory patterns that they've flown. I wanna watch them from my chair with my binoculars, my latte and my phone, trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone. Alone here with the doves, the sparrows, the ospreys, the owlets, the egrets and my list. It's just me and Mr. Finch, the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I heard they don't exist. Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I wanna watch the birds do what they will. Sorry if I'm ornithologically prone. I wanna watch from somewhere undisturbing, quiet, calm, still. Sit right here and gaze at the unknown. I don't wanna fly in the sky, I just wanna be alone.
You're in my world now, not your world. And I got friends on the other side. He's got friends on the other side. Sit down at my table. Put your mind at ease.
I put a spell
if you relax, it will enable me to do anything I please. I can read your future. Be prepared. I can change it round some too. I look deep into your heart and soul. Make your wildest dreams come true. I got voodoo, I got hoodoo, I got things I ain't even tried. I got friends on the other side.
And if you are shaking, there's something very wrong. Cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song.
Whoa, 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 I'm the Oogie Boogie Man.
Beware, take care, he rides alone.
This vampire bat, this inhuman beast, he ought to be locked up and never released.
He swears through the longest day he's dead. He'll show them that he can get ahead.
The world was such a wholesome place until
he had a plan to shake things up, and that's the gospel truth.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Transformation Central. Reformation Central.
Reformation Central.
Transmogrification Central. Can you feel it? You're changing, you're changing, you're changing, alright.
Far from the ones who abandoned you, chasing the love of these humans. Cause they guzzle up the things you prize.
I hope you're satisfied. But if you ain't, don't blame me. Don't forget it.
Don't forget it.
Don't forget it. You'll regret it.
This land we behold,
This beauty untold.
Man can be bold.
It all can be sold.
As a specimen, yes, I'm intimidating.
And you can blame my friends on the other side.